If you kneel down before God, He will ensure that you stand out before men. Thank you. Kwa talent, siku hizi unajua lazima tuangalie talent. Kama iko tuna force, utajua talent yako ni gani. Kuforce. Kama kuforce, wewe force hadi ujue yako ni gani. Tuna force in short. So in the beginning, I'm a script writer, director and choreographer. When it comes to music festivals, I do. In decoration, why I enjoy it most is because I normally say a mistake in decoration, it's a new style. Mm-hmm. You make a mistake, it's only you yourself will know, na leo sijafanya vizuri, hii si mzuri. And then kuna mtu mwingine ako pale anasema, hii style ni mpya, haijawahi ekwa gai. Mbona mwekangi? Just that. TikTok, I think TikTok is uniting all of us because people need to see videos, the reality of seeing and hearing more than any other. To me, I prefer TikTok.
All right. Thank you to Sana for being on my Danja show.
The next guest.
You would really like us to host here.
The next
I've got after him or her.
Sharon Bundi. Yeah, she's my mentee and someone I've worked closely with.
Sharon Bundi,
it's your turn. On the board. Ensure that your circle does not change when you start winning. You are there to uplift them, motivate them. And for those who are feeling that they cannot make it, those who are feeling so discouraged, I have a word for you. I can tell you that the seeds of tomorrow are in the fruits of today. Ensure that the fruit of today, the life you have, you are there to ensure that you safeguard it. Life is not about competition. Run your race. Guard your crown of excellence. And when time comes, your crown of excellence will ensure that it attracts a lot of people in the world. Be yourself. Run for your crown. Know where you want to be, how you want to be there, and when you want to be there. Simply, I just say, spread love, touch souls. Ensure that each day you touch soul and you spread smiles.
Those are words from Dr. Florian in the house. How has been your spiritual life, about the church, your relationship with the church? Just let's say role means of spiritual life. Mm-hmm. How has it been?
Spiritual life. Okay, I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
I believe in God. When it comes to now the spiritual life, maybe I can thank my godparents so much. Godparent ni mtu mwenye alikuelekeza more about the church.
Sasa in that section, kuna venye I usually see ukiwa umepost pale status, kila siku huwa naona your status something called Amka na Asante. Daily, there's no day you're going to miss to post that. I don't know if it's an encouragement or something. I think it's related to that. Now, what motivated you and how did you, it maybe influenced you to start this Amka na Asante?
Oh, thank you. Amka na Asante, it just started back when I was in Kiandutu slum. There is time whereby I was living in Kiandutu slum. Mm-hmm. And when you live in a slum, you realize that these people have different social life problems, challenges, and mostly the children from slums, what they lack is motivation. They lack someone who can hold their hand and assure them that mbele kutakuwa salama. Mm-hmm. Like ukifanya vizuri hivi utapata kitu mzuri hivi. And you find that these children, they may find it so difficult to believe that at one point one day they'll be successful. So I remember this one time I was just loitering kutembea hapa na hivi kwa slums hiyo hapo Kiandutu. Then I met a small boy. Alikuwa tu anatembea na yeye akaniambia, "Hey, you look smart." And I was like, mimi I look smart. Then ananiambia, "Yeah, you look smart." Nikamwambia hata wewe unaweza kuwa smart hivyo. And then that was the genesis of Amka na Asante. I realized that this boy needed only one person who can motivate him that he can also be smart as I was. Then here comes, nikaanza tu as a joke, kila asubuhi naandika tu Amka na Asante, and then naika ka quote fulani hapo, like the first quote yenye nakumbuka nimeweka mahali is day Amka na Asante January 001 daily dose 001 grace.
Now you have all days.
I have all days.
1st January.
From 1st January to 31st December. That's why it's Amka na Asante. So here comes, I'm in the university. One of the students anaitangwa Babe Rice. Ananipigia ananiambia, "Papa, nimekasirika na wewe. Nitafute. Where are you?" And I was like, amekasirika na nini? Nimemfanyia nini? Namuuliza, nimekufanyia nini? Akaniambia, "Wewe kuja wewe unitafute." Mimi nikamtafuta, nikampigia simu, nikamuuliza kwa wapi, akaniambia kwa hostel. Mimi nikaenda. Kwenda ndio akaniambia, "Papa, this Amka na Asante, why can't you combine it ikuwe kama kitabu?" Si tutapata wapi kitabu? Nikienda library nitakuwa napata hii kitabu wapi? Wewe tu unaweka Amka na Asante kila siku na to motivate pale, you encourage us about the families, about ourselves, about even those who come from poor families, about relationships, broken relationships, about family conflicts, everything. Tutazipata wapi? I said, "Oh, that's a nice idea." It's not just a nice idea. I want you to start doing it today. So nikaanza hapo, nikasema let me start it today. Nikaanza tu daily dose January 001. I talk about grace. I say grace, when it locates you, it does not need to to come out and have different ideas from other people, because when grace locates you, everything outshines. Your face is full of radiance. Now grace will come and it will even correct your grammar. You will become a person who is motivated towards your self-actualization. And then it all started. Nikaendelea kupost kila siku. Nikimiss, watu wananitumia pesa, unapata mtu amenitumia mwingine 200, ananiambia nunua bundles. Yo, tusikose Amka na Asante this time. And I was like, kumbe it's a brand. It's growing. Now siku ingine hapo hivyo, one of my mentees is called Lewis. Ananipigia simu ananiambia, "Papa, can I make a logo for Amka na Asante?" Then he makes a logo. Kidogo ananitumia logo nyingine, akaniambia, "Between the two, choose them. Choose one of it na uniambie ni gani nimalizie." I say Amka na Asante, natupa tena pale kwa status. Nikasema, "Team Amka na Asante, mnataka gani?" They chose. Akachagua moja iko na sunshine and iko na mtu ameshikilia hiyo sunshine hivi. Then they were asking me, "What is the meaning of now the sunshine na hii mikono?" Then I also, as a psychologist, I have to be very creative again. Kaambia hii mikono inashikilia maisha yako. Inashikilia growth. Inashikilia everything positive that you may want. And now the sunshine, it is showing you every day there will be always a fine sunshine in your life. Whether tomorrow you don't believe it will be good, just believe there will be a sunshine. So again hapo unapata then people started reposting. We have the likes of Lawrence, we have Luciana, we also have Magdalene Baraza. Then Magdalene Baraza would post it, would screenshot, all of them they would screenshot. Then one day my mom surprises me, nilichelewa kuweka. Sikuweka hiyo 6 hivi, nikaweka saa 4. Ananipigia anambia, he calls me professor. Ananiza, "Prof, mbona hujaweka Amka na Asante?" I was like, kumbe my mom is a silent follower. Na like nikajua, kumbe hata WhatsApp anaangalia hivi nini tu venye ana feature white hapo siwezi ona. Nikasema, kaambia sikuwa na bundles. She tells me, "Nakuwekea 1000." Na hiyo ni ya kununua bundles. Na ukinunua screenshot. I was like bao yote yana akaeka kidogo, ananipigia anasema umenunua nikamwambia she's doubtful. Nikasema nimenunua. Akaniambia nitumia screenshot na tutakosana kama hujanunua. Then kumbe it's a brand, and that's how it is. So I'm just waiting ni launch kitabu.
Launch hicho kitabu. We are here to influence that book, and don't forget to invite me.
Yeah. So kwa hiyo kitabu, it's going the name goes by Amka na Asante series. That is the main name. And then we have we call it the Amka na Asante series 365 inspirational daily doses. And God is good. Kuna watu washasema they are going to be the influencers. Wengine washasema they are the models, the likes of Joy. And then we have Anisia, who owns a lot of titles. She's a good model. We are looking forward. Siku moja maybe she'll be Miss World.
That must be a very great day.
Tunangoja tu hivi one guest to confirm.
Who you guest ni nani? You are why you taking our time?
Hey, guest, you know yourself bana. Just confirm kitabu iko sawa.
So fast.
Yeah.
But our time is not on our side. You want to have that book.
Yeah.
Appetite Nation.
Niendelee hivyo.
Okay, as you wind up on the spiritual world.
Yeah.
Actually, one day, was it one day or just a previous Sunday?
Yeah.
There was a gift you gave your priest as a donor thanksgiving gift or something to do of that.
Yeah.
Can you maybe share the story about that precious gift? You know, it's like out of mind. Yani, someone cannot just think of this kind of gift I want to give. I've never seen it at first.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. So it was like, how did you just start thinking of maybe you want to make this? And in fact, coming up with a very unique outfit. Is it outfit? I don't know the names of those.
Yeah, chasuble. It's called chasuble.
Yeah, very unique, which is not common.
Yeah.
Now, just give us a brief story about that.
Oh, thank you. If there is something that really makes me or can make me so emotional, it's about that gift, a chasuble. A chasuble, it represents, let me call it maybe royalty. In the ancient times, those robes zilikuwa zinavaliwa na the royal families even. But now in the Catholic Church, we have different types of chasubles in conjunction with colors. But myself, you remember there is this time I was telling you I was getting a lot of rejection in work, natafuta sipati, naambua my grades are too high. So one of the days when the church uses pink, pink is only used twice in a year, and those are special Sundays that represent joyful Sundays in Catholic Church. The Gaudete Sunday and Laetare Sunday. They represent joyful Sundays. So I did decoration. Actually, it was the first one to use pink. To use pink largely on the altar. Both the background decoration and on the main altar. So I had purposed because last year I asked God, I will be bringing the altar decoration clothes, even if it's after every 2 weeks. I will be bringing one. It costs good amount of money. The other one maybe 500 hivyo. Then hiyo ingine maybe. I just said I will bring. Then here comes the day, joyful Sunday, and then I brought, and then I told God, you know, in 2019, when I founded MKUICS decoration group, there is this priest who came, and he was called Father Blasio. Father Blasio, Blasio, one of it. He was from maybe Embu, and then he was taking a degree, a PhD degree in Catholic University, Kwea. And then when he came, he found the decoration was great. And then he said, "Who decorated?" Then all of people, they just stared on me, nikamwangalia, and then I just smiled. Then he said, "Makena, come, Makena." You know, Makena, it's a name that denotes someone who is smiling, mtu akona furaha hivi.
Which language is that?
Makena can be Aembu, can be Embu, can be Meru, or even Kikuyu, one of them, because they share the same dialective or words. So akasema niende. So alienda akaniombea, and then he told me the altar, it is where divinity and humanity meets. Decorating the sanctuary is praying for 5 times. And then he said, when you will be in need of grace, please remember, this altar will make you great. Don't tire making it. Ensure that the altar has everything it pertains to have. Then he blessed me with the holy water, and then told me, I've given you that grace, just go. I went. At that time, hiyo kitu haikuwa ina link. I was still a student, I wasn't even hustling. Nikaona it was just a normal thing kwangu. Now comes in this time, I'm struggling with kutafuta kazi hivyo. Then that particular day, I brought the pink, tukadecorate na moja, then nikabakisha moja ya kuleta time ya offertory. When I was carrying that pink decoration linen this way, I prayed and I told God, color pink, it's a precious color to me. It is very rare in the church. I'm getting work. It's a problem now. Please ensure that you give me a testimony, and I'll return with thanksgiving for the glory and honor of your name. Then that particular day, I talked to a former moderator, Gabriel. It's called Gabriel, the moderator, liturgical dancers. I explained to him about giving back to the altar, tukamaliza. So after that, simi nilikuja nikapata kazi. When nilipata kazi, now that's where the story comes in, why I decided, nikafikiria, which is the most precious gift that I can give it to church, a gift that will cost me. You know, I believe a sacrifice that pains your heart. It's a sacrifice that that pleases God. Because you remember hata yule mwanamke alitoa just the pesa yenye alikuwa nayo kidogo hivyo, at least. Then I said, when I'll get work, when I'll get even an opportunity, I'll bring a gift. It will be regardless of ni priest mgani atakuwa. And I said, at first I had said, mwenye atakuwa hiyo siku niye nitamletea. And again, nikafikiria, nikasema, no, we have 2 priests. I need anointing, I need blessings for the 2 priests. I said, and Father Lawrence Opio is taking psychology at the higher level, doctorate. Si hata mi nataka nifike hapo. I said, let me have a contact. Let me share with him something. Because I also want to get there. Then for the first time, I was thinking, which gift? Ni gani? Even if I buy a suit, it won't be enough. Even if, and then I remembered, not all priests have a pink chasuble. They have green, they have green, they have white, they have purple and red, and maybe others they have gold. Then I decided, let me bring pink. It is most precious because it is only used twice per year.
Very unique.
Very unique. To represent joyful Sundays. And because it's a Thanksgiving to me, I decided, let me bring 2 chasubles. I bought 2 chasubles, and then the 2 chasubles, moja nikaleta now Sunday for Father Lawrence Opio. The next one, it will be on this Sunday for Reverend Father Paul. It's just a Thanksgiving. It's a Thanksgiving to God for helping me, for ensuring that He gave it to me when I was least expecting.
Right.
Yeah.
That was a very, very good and a perfect idea actually I've ever heard of, because even if it was me, let's say I was the one in that situation,
Yeah.
I would not have thought to that level.
Yeah.
And I think most people will never even think of that.
Sure.
Most people.
Yeah.
So that's just a kind of a blessing, a very
Yeah.
unique blessing
Yeah. And
to you and the blessing you're working with.
yeah, thank you.
God is really, really blessing you day after day.
Yeah, sure. Because actually, when you are gifting someone like a priest, you have to be aware that you can gift a gift that will be a personal gift, and you can gift a priest a gift that will be for their institution. Now this one is their personal gift. Hata akitransfer toke MKU arudi Uganda, hiyo ni yake.
Yeah.
Father Paul akitoka MKU aende hata parish ingine, that's a personal gift. Si zile za MKU atabaki. So if we decide again, you can come up with a project tununue ya MKU, tuache sasa ya MKU, we can. But now that was a personal gift. So on that spiritual, maybe kuna wale wanauliza kwa nini Florian upiga magoti akireceive. To me, it's very simple. If you kneel down before God, He will ensure that you stand out before men.
Oh, if you kneel
Down
before
God,
He will make sure
you stand
you
out.
rise.
Yeah,
You stand out
you stand out before men.
before men.
And if personally I will kneel down, to receive that crown, your PhD, then that's your crown, your PhD. What about, why can't I kneel down when I am receiving the king who gives out that PhD kwangu?
Wewe ungefikiria hivyo?
Thank you. Yeah, Eucharist is one thing that we are just sinners. We sin differently.
Yeah.
The problem is that all of us being sinners, we judge other sinners. Tuna judge other sinners, but all of us, we are just sinners. So me, I know I'm a sinner. Unambwana, I'm a sinner, and through God, He will use us in our weaknesses. Yeah.
Wow, that has been a very wonderful topic under spiritual life and social life about Dr. Florian in the house. Okay, we are having Wi-Fi at Academics Hostel, and nowadays at a very great offer. That's 40% down, only 2,000, and you will be having full installation, free router, free installation, and hiyo package ya hiyo mwezi sorted. So just get us. Actually, kwa hii video, this is our post. Make sure you contact us if you are in need of Wi-Fi, and that offer only applies at Academic Hostel pale Thika opposite Imperial. Okay, as we continue with the topic of the day. Okay, the man that we are having in the house is a very talented guy. A guy who has won several competitions. A guy who has engaged himself in so many activity and came out as a victor. And I'll just like to partake a brief too, because time is not on our side. Partake a brief story about the talent that he's having. I think this guy is talented like everywhere. He's a universal. I don't understand, but from since he's here, he can tell us.
Oh, thank you. Kwa talent, siku hizi unajua lazima tuangalie talent. Kama haiko tuna force, utajua talent yako ni gani. Kuforce. Kama wakuforce, wewe force hadi ujue yako ni gani. Tuna force issues. So in the beginning nilianza na kuforce. Niliandika the first script yenye nishaiandika. Niliandika a poem about chekechea. nilikuwa tu chekechea nikaandika, so I have like 15 poems zenye niliandikanga za kwanza za Kiswahili. Andika, then naanza kuangalia hizi vina zinatoshana hata hazitoshani. Kumbe mtu anamalizia na mi nilimalizia tu na maji, unaona inaendelea. So at the end I found out it's like I was falling in love with art. Nikaanza kuandika. So just to cut the story short, I'm a script writer, director and choreographer. When it comes to music festivals, I do even training. I can train choral verses, solo verses, traditional dances, oral narratives, basically that. So I have won many titles when it comes to that in competitions, especially the verses and the oral narratives and the traditional dances. Yani zote tu I have different titles. Not mentioning, I'm also a good soloist when it comes to traditional dance. That is something that has given me a title. I was awarded as the Archdiocese Best Male Soloist, and I was given some gifts. That is one thing. Then my teams have been doing very well. You can check on MKUICS YouTube channel, you can find them there. Na wale wana doubt, mnitishe comments. Ni screenshot mzione. So on that, wale walimu wako hapa najua ni time za music festivals, saa hizi next year, anytime during January, first term and second term, you can always check on me. Naweza waandikia bana. Naweza ona fair price. Yeah.
Okay, beyond your profession, professional work.
Yeah.
And you are talented with that talent.
Yeah.
Among those talents, which one is the hidden talent? The one you usually do and feel like you enjoy doing it?
Yeah.
Among the many you've mentioned and the others that you've not mentioned.
The one
you enjoy most.
The one I enjoy most. Yeah. The one I enjoy most is decoration.
Decoration.
Yeah, I enjoy most because decoration is just playing with colors, and different styles. And in decoration, why I enjoy it most is because I normally say a mistake in decoration, it's a new style. You make a mistake, it's only you yourself na leo sijafanya vizuri, hii si mzuri, and then kuna mtu mwingine ako pale anasema hii style ni mpya, haijawahi ekwa gai, mbona mwekangi. And the best thing is that I give my styles my own names. So nakwambia hii inaitwa event because all of you don't know anything in that, you'll believe. And then from that time, even my student nikiwa train, because I don't have a curriculum that I'm using to train decoration. It's all about creativity, and CBC wants that.
Yeah.
And the world needs that. So nitawambia this style, will call it mountain. It can remain kwa mountain. Yeah.
All right. As we wind up, now, this question I usually ask almost all my guests.
It's about to go down. It's about to go down.
It's not something hard. From the people you interact with, maybe you have some social media handle, when content creator or whatever, I don't know. Do you post your things?
Yeah, I do post.
Your handles, tell us there.
My handles, I'll just repeat. Dr. Florian 001, Prince Florian, TikTok. Just that. TikTok, I think TikTok is uniting all of us because people need to see videos, the reality of seeing and hearing more than any other. To me, I prefer TikTok.
All right. Yeah. Now, let's say people who usually watch your videos, who usually watch what you are doing, are asked to tell about you. Yeah. What do you think they will say about you?
What I think they'll say about me?
Yes.
Wow. The world and people, they are like a coin. Coin has two sides.
Yes.
The others will say something positive and the others will say something negative. But personally as a psychologist, I'll only focus on those who will say something positive. The rest will say something negative. I do something called suppression. I just suppress. Na hata hiyo inaenda huko chini kabisa, hiyo sioni, because I care on my mental health. So I will only see what is positive.
All right, you only focus on what is positive.
Yeah.
Now, coming to yourself.
Yeah.
You were asked to use just one emoji to, maybe you give that one emoji that will represent you, that will tell more about you. Just one.
Just one.
Yes.
Ya kucheka obvious.
Ile ya kucheka
na machozi. Ya kucheka na machozi because unajua, like I normally say that I think hata hiyo ndio nimeweka mkana asante ya leo. I said touch souls, always ensure that we touch souls on a positive way. Let's spread smiles. Because kama mtu hata akiwa na stress na umemchekea, hata kitu ya kwanza atakataa, atasema tu niko sawa, lakini bado una smile, then ataanza kusema huyu mtu ako friendly, alafu atacheka na kwambia endelea tu kucheka, mimi ukijua venye na feel, then you are like kwani una feel aje? Then anaanza from that time conversation starts na inajiendeleza. So I think it's also the most misused emoji. Kila watu saa hizi tu status ama inbox ni kusmile tu na kucheka. Yeah. Kwani yako ingekuwa gani?
Yangu.
Ingekuwa gani kwani?
For the first time I'm getting the question reflected.
Akili mtu wangu. Unajua being on that side it's different from this side. Which one?
Yangu. Kuna ile inakuanga ya ile imetoa ulimi na huko.
Ile ya kufanya
automatic iko close.
Kwa nini? Kwa nini? Why? I'm going to do some
that emojis, like you are not sure, is this person happy, this person doubtful, is this person sad? It brings somehow confusion. Yeah. These people are left, like when you want to you don't want someone to know about the exact thing, the exact feeling of what you are saying. You put that.
Mkiona natumia hiyo emoji, simona nani amenifunza hiyo. Haya, sawa.
Anyways, as we wind up,
yes,
as a psychologist,
yeah,
what advice would you give some people struggling to balance work and spiritual life and the social life outside here?
Like someone who they're
struggling to balance, because we have talked of spiritual life and
social everything.
Yeah, now a person who is struggling to balance this life, social life and spiritual life, which advice will you give to him or her?
I'll just tell him one thing: believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you will only focus on something that you know that it will have benefit on you. So maybe you are trying to balance even in social life, and then whatever you are trying to come, maybe you want to have all this large group of friends.
Yes.
And then all these friends are not beneficial to you because maybe your career and their career does not even match.
Yeah.
Your personality and their personality hazipatani, hamwezi shikana hivi. Kazi yako na kazi yao hazipatani. Wewe kazi yako ni ya mchana, yeye yake ni ya usiku. You never. So you only focus. You only believe in yourself. That's why nikiachana na hii nichukue kitu fulani, it will be fine. Just start believing in yourself. You don't have to explain. And then you don't have to explain. So inamaanisha aje, if you believe in yourself, you'll believe in things that you do. And if you believe in things that you do, you'll be able to balance them so that you don't give one thing a bigger percentage than the other one. Because You believe in yourself. Kwa hivyo if you believe in yourself, it will be 50-50.
All right, you've got the advice for those people struggling with the balancing scale for social and spiritual life.
Yeah.
Now you got the advice. Believe in yourself, and all things are going to go well. Thank you to Sana for being on my Danger Show. All along, we have had a vibe for almost 1.5 hours. That's a very great and the longest show maybe I've hosted this year, and I'm very proud with this guy here who is our guest in the house. Thank you to Sana for appearing into our show. We invite you again, more and more again in our channel as we continue prospering to invite many guests here. I know you are going to actually this thing I have to ask you.
Yes.
Like I want you to mention the next guest you really like us to have here. The next guest. You would really like us to host here.
The next
I go after him or her.
Sharon Bundi. Yeah, she's my mentee and someone I've worked closely with, and I'm monitoring her steps, and I want her to grow, and I want the world to know more about her because she will be taking after me when I finish my PhD. She should be there.
All right, Sharon Bundi. It's your
next
turn.
On the board.
You're our next guest, probably this coming week. Hi Taisha, I have to come after you, like it or not.
Najua mali yako nitakuchukulia.
Utaniletea hadi hapa.
Lazima nikuletea hadi hapa.
Okay, Sharon Bundi, our next guest, and actually that one you have to fulfill before any other person akuja grab that chance. Wow. I have to fix you there before any other guest in the house. Okay, shukran to Sana, our guest. And maybe we give a final remarks from what you've just talked about from the beginning. Those 1.5 hours we've talked much. Let's just sum them up and give a brief conclusion or remarks on what we've talked about as we close our show.
Thank you. I'll be very brief. So I would like the world to know that always remember where you come from. Remember on your background. When you come, even in the city, always remember that you have a responsibility to ensure that you make your home a better place. Remember the people who are there for you when you never had trust, when everything was going south. When you start winning, please remember them. Ensure that your circle does not change when you start winning. You are there to uplift them, motivate them. And for those who are feeling that they cannot make it, those who are feeling so discouraged, I have a word for you. I can tell you that the seeds of tomorrow are in the fruits of today. Ensure that the fruit of today, the life you have, you are there to ensure that you safeguard it. Life is not about competition. Run your race. Guard your crown of excellence. And when time comes, your crown of excellence will ensure that it attracts a lot of people in the world. Be yourself. Run for your crown. Know where you want to be, how you want to be there, and when you want to be there. Simply, I just say, spread life, touch souls. Ensure that each day you touch soul and you spread smiles.
Those are words from Dr. Florian in the house. Amepatiana maneno are very wise words. Like those one who have just got that opportunity to listen to those words, you have something great to do about your life. And it's a great opportunity. It's a great honor to have you here. I know my fans are happy with the vibe we've had, the encouragement we've had together here, the advices and the motivations that you've given out. We are so happy. Beginning with me, I'm very, very, very much happy. The vibe has been long. I don't want us to take it further. And without further note, I love you guys, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share. We love you, and continue supporting as we move further. See you there. Bye-bye.
Bye.